your head voice register. When we play a guitar, when we hear a string ring, it creates a vibration that then makes, of course, a sound wave, similar to our vocal cords. That sound wave bounces around in the resonant cavities, like the inside of this guitar body, like our vocal tract, and we'll talk more about resonance in a future lesson. But then it also has sympathetic vibration in the actual wood of the guitar. In the same way, there is sympathetic vibration in the bones of our body. Some people call that our private resonance, because we hear that sound that's vibrating in our body go straight to our brain through bone conduction, and that's why we hear our voice differently than others. Different cool topic. However, when we sing in head voice, we often feel vibration in our cheeks or in our head. That's why we call it head voice. Please refer to the picture, courtesy of Sing Like a Star, to see how we feel the resonance or the vibration in different parts of our body when we sing in different registers or higher notes or lower notes. If you have a very focused head register, you'll feel a lot of vibration in your face actually. However, beginners don't tend to feel it in the surface of their face so much. In fact, let's try that for a second. Let's sing something that is going to be head voice for most people. I'm in my head voice. If you put your hand here, there's no vibration in your chest. The vibration is happening up here. And I do feel it in my cheeks. In order to make sound waves that produce higher pitches, you need thinner, longer vocal cords. So when you're in head voice register, your vocal cords are stretched out to full length. So now they're thinner, they're freer, they can vibrate more quickly and create higher pitches. So how does that happen? Your CT muscles, your cricothyroid muscles, are attached to your cricoid cartilage, which is below your thyroid cartilage, and your thyroid cartilage. And when they contract, they tip the vocal mechanism back just enough to stretch the vocal cords. When they stretch, they're thinner, they vibrate more easily, more quickly, and you create higher pitches. Falsetto is just another name for head voice. It was originally coined mostly for men because, as I said, in traditional vocal training, men sang primarily in chest voice. So when they sang in their head voice, it sounded strange or false. A well-developed head voice is used in opera and classical music, but head voice is used a whole lot in contemporary Christian music and in pop music in different ways. Focused, airy, powerful. Head voice is also used quite a bit in traditional Christian music, choir parts, SATB a cappella singing. However, in contemporary music, you'll also find a large amount of mixed voice registration. So next up, mixed voice.